Okay. So taking a small hiatus from what typical Demo 5 is, although I guess technically it's not since it's still Demo 5, but basically I am not using my scripted subscreen anymore because I was shown how powerful the engine is now. So I am starting to leverage that, and I already have a lot done with it, as you can see. So I was going to continue working on this. Yeah, and it's pretty cool because the additional features I natively get with this. So this is just a screenshot of where everything goes, just so I know as reference. And I am currently assigning things. One feature I wanted was the ability to highlight over everything up here so that you can still see it. And I would have needed to have programmed that within my scripted subscreen. But that just kind of works in this, so without me even needing to do anything, really. I'm just setting all these values, and then I'm going to set their selection position so you can actually move the cursor over to them, because obviously the stuff in the upper left is not equipable since it's not stuff that can be equipped. So, or no, wallet. You got all those. I have all these. This will be lanterns. Although, honestly, no. That wouldn't be equipable. And then this would be... I was actually going to have heart rings be a thing. Yeah. But not for now. Honestly, I can delete these three and then just add in whatever the items would be at that time. I think we're good here. So you may notice my Triforce frame is missing. That is because I still have scripts involved. You can basically embed scripts into your subscreens, in the engine subscreen, and it still works. So like even my magic bar is still my scripted magic bar. You can see I still have this functionality. I didn't actually test if leaving and like, and I was gonna say I do have the raft. I didn't test if I forgot to change the music. The Triforce of Death still pops up. It's the same code, so it should. I haven't updated much of this. Although it occurred to me it's not going to matter because the subscreen's not being used anywhere except for Isle of Heron. This is just my... Isle of Heron is kind of my testing spot. It's where I test everything. I'm going to assume it works. I don't see why it wouldn't. But currently the only way over there is over this way, so you can see that. Shield 3 mirror. Obviously I'll have to actually set display names for these items that I didn't originally think would be displayed. But one issue I had was you couldn't see what the bow was. For some reason the ladder doesn't have a selector. That's interesting. Raft, Giant's Bracer, Diver's Flippers. Yeah. Pretty cool. Lantern. Oh, because, yeah, the default I don't actually have a tile for, so I'm going to have to set some stuff up. The majority of the work on this is going to be two things. One, linking up everything, and two, setting it up on each D map. So, okay, so this is position 0 to 23, correct? Okay. So I'm just going to make myself a little thing here. Oops. This will just make it easier for me to see. Actually, that just straight up works on top. Because then I'll be able to just take a very quick peek over at this. Okay, my 0 is just gone now. Okay. Of course, I am using Microsoft Paint, so... Honestly, these internal ones probably aren't as big of a deal. Because those are already wired up. There. Because then I know these are 39. Yeah, 39. Yeah, 39 to 50. So I could just do... I don't think these have locations yet. Yeah, they're not even set as selectable. Then you also have my heart piece frame, which is 31. And then I believe legionnaring is 32. 33, and then 34, 35. Yep. Okay. So this will make it easy. I didn't actually assign these positions. And then there's also... Of course. These are set for 6. So 24... I think it was expected that this would be 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yeah. There, okay. So 30, 31, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. Okay. And then that's basically everything. The only difference now will be however many I put down here, which I'm not even sure how many. Because, I mean, I think... If I control Z, no. Oh, I can't move it back up. That's annoying. So your X position's 22, 2240. Okay. Okay, so not gonna worry about those yet. Currently, this is set as position 30, so technically I could just not worry about those sub-slots yet. But actually I do. Yeah, so it may not have been clear. This entire frame is selectable. currently, and it works with a giant cursor, but it still works. Obviously, that's not. Well, I could make it selectable, but I'm not, because there's going to be items in here. So actually, no. I'm gonna duplicate a better one. Duplicate. Oh, wait, I don't even need to do that. I could do wizards, item grid. So starting would be 25. So width of 2, height of 3, non-selectable. So this didn't work. Spacing, I've been doing 20. Oh, non-equipable. Ooh, I may have actually missed that. Let me try that again. It needs to have smaller. Well, I could also make the frame bigger. And quite honestly, these can move over a bit. I kind of do want to figure out a better layout here. I wonder if I could do something like maybe counters on bottom. Because then I could kind of condense it a bit more. Only I could have them on top, but that's hard to see. So I think that makes the most sense. So the way I currently have this being done, I think it was 182, is I'm just straight up drawing them here. Yeah. Oh, that's right. It's on that tile page. It's down here. I'm just gonna widen this a bit. Oh, hi, Mark. Okay, wait. So I see you on stream. So if you click type a message at the bottom, it just doesn't give you anything. That is weird. It shows the text box, but yet you can't interact with it. Whoops. That's strange. I'd look it up, I guess, because I don't know why you wouldn't be able to text or message in chat. So hopefully, I expanded it by 8 pixels. Hopefully that's enough now. I can fit everything in it. Oh. So I actually toyed with the idea of putting them below. But that'd be kind of crammed. Let me make sure I keep these guys all together. Because I could have them go straight down here, like that. And again, I could have it do that with the numbers above. Whoops. Ugh. Numbers above like I did before. Because I kind of liked how that looked. 124.60. Give it 30 pixels. Whoa. Oops. And then you are 116.68. $98. So you are 124.90. So 124. I think I did 20 pixels, right? I did 30. $116.98. What? 68, 98, 128. Do one more. Actually, I'd rather do one more like that. And then there's this. Make it a width of 7. Good. This is in line with this. So just expand it by 1. At least this will be quick to do. Boom. Oops. Oh. Looks good. Looks good. Yep. Let's see how that looks. We'll need to have this up because I just moved that. Triforce frame needs to move a tad. Which should be easy. It should just be a singular variable change. Nope. Apparently I didn't make variables for this. How many pixels? Maybe like 4? I mean, 4 is basically going to take you all the way over. I mean, I could condense it. Whoops. I was going to say, does it not work now? I need to look at courage. That's the longest, widest. Yeah, I'll move it like 4 pixels over. And specifically, let's see. So we have the LNRs. So your X. What is that? Left arrow combo. Okay, so that's that. I don't know. I'll move them in by like 4. So then I'll make that 8. 8. Oh wait, no, this was 4. Left arrow combo. Oh yeah, that would be 8. And then right arrow 100, 100. Okay, so that moved everything in toward, that moved these 2 buttons and these 2 buttons closer to the frame. Now I need to move literally everything 4 pixels left. So now this honestly goes back down to 4, 96, 4, 56. In case anyone's curious, it's not really anything all that exciting. I'm just changing X values. So 58, 10, 10. Yep, that should be all I need to do. So the buttons will now be closer together. Yeah, like it. And it's also like centered now. Well, almost centered. Ah, it's so sad. If I moved it like 1 pixel to the right, it would actually be centered. Or I can go in here and do that. Yeah, that looks good. That actually looks really good. So long as Triforce of Courage works. Honestly, do I even need Triforce? Do I even need that? Or can I literally just say, like, Courage, Wisdom, Power? Triforce of is just kind of like redundant information. You know what it is. Yeah, you know what? I'm changing that. It's pointless. You know it's a Triforce frame. It's obvious. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Int string draw x equals 58. Making variables. Int string draw y. Because then if I ever want to tweak this in the future, I don't need to tweak it in so many places. I just do it in the one place. Makes my life easier. Because I'm actually thinking I'm going to change the Y. So instead of taking the Y plus the offset minus 13, let's do like minus 10. Basically moving the actual text string up 3 pixels. Just so it's not like crammed right up on it. Oh, I went the wrong way. 16. Oh yeah, minus 16. We're going in a negative direction, which is up. Yeah. There we go. See, there's a little bit more space between the R and Courage and the Triforce frame. Looks good. Looks good. Oops. Okay, so... Dang it. It sucks that there's no undo. Yeah, there's no undo. So anyway, let's pull up my item slots again. So I think I will... Oh, I can't make the Triforce frame selectable. Well, I guess I can. It's like I can do... New... I guess it would be tile block. And I can actually select it just to like position it. What was that? Width 6 by 3? Yeah. Let's just do overlay. This is all just temporary. I mean, everything is except for the actual frame. Or the thing, the entity. I'm trying to get it like... It looks like it's like 2 pixels above. And then... I don't know, I'll need to eyeball that. Because then what I could do is I can make it selectable. And I'll make it like position... Let's see. So that's 50... this could be 51. 51, 52, 50, 53. And then this guy can be 54. That'll be position 54. And now all I need to do is test to make sure it's like perfectly right on it. You can see that there's kind of a shadow in the upper left, so it needs to move over 1 pixel. You can't even tell it's there. But yeah, being able to see Legionnaire-ing, that's neat. I like that. Anyway, so that's good. So now I can literally edit this, remove its tile, but it's still, oh, well, oh no, it does still need to be the whole thing, doesn't it? So I'll just do this, 6 by 3. It'll be blank. It's an overlay, so it's transparent. You literally won't see it. Brilliant. Brilliant. Okay, so I've established how many items are there. So let's do that so I can save. Now I want to figure out how many items... I don't know why I did that, because I'm going to save this anyway. How many can I fit there? Do I think I could fit 5 items? This would be starting at position 55. I think 5 items is fine. Because then... Oh, hang on. I forgot to add... Okay, that was nice. So 55... with 5, 1 spacing. Let's do like 22. Okay, let's try 20. Still a lot easier than like manually creating these. Oh. What? I don't actually know what that would be. I think that's fine. That looks good. Yeah, that looks really good. And then I'll actually create... I'll create all the items. So 2 by 3. Oops. 20. 20. But at 2020, this is 25. Okay, so I think 20 and probably 16 is good. Yeah, 16 is probably fine. Starting at 25. Whoops. I didn't change that. Why does it default to that? Why is it defaulting to 5 by 3? It's a bit annoying. Okay. Honestly, what if I did like... That's probably fine. I don't like how it's touching. Okay, so maybe... Let's modify this frame. That's that guy. Okay. We're just going to give it a little bit more height. Like, yeah, even 2 pixels would be fine. It's just obnoxious having to do this. So now there's a little bit more room. I did move it down to... there. So now I should be able to do, starting at 25... What if I did like 18 by 18? No, okay. So I'd say 1, 2, left, 1, 2, left, 1, 2, left, 1, 2, left. Oops. Wait, why did they not look? Looks good. Just have a bunch of swords, but it's fine. See what it looks like. Yeah, I'd say it looks good to me. Ooh, one thing I don't know if I addressed. Okay, no, I did address that. Okay. Alright, so now in my little document here, it'll be 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. So I have a total of 59 items. Oh, shoot. Wait, what were these? Oh, I never set these as a... Oh, yeah, I did. 36, 37, 38. Doesn't matter. The items are the same. It doesn't align with what I have here because I moved these down. But, it is what it is. Okay, so now comes the fun part of assigning each of these to go to the right place. So let's just start top left, I guess. Okay. So up would take me to... Well, I guess the thought I have is everything should be kind of gridded. Now that... Oh, hang on. Ooh, there's more space here, so I can space these items out a bit more, and they can be more aligned with their grid pairs. So let's try... And then they have a lot of vertical space to play with. There. So now these are all vertically aligned. And in fact... Ooh, very well aligned, in fact. Looks good. I like it. I like it. Cool. Okay. I have about 40 minutes to align each of these items to where they should go. So you're at 39. Pressing up should take you to 55. Pressing down will take you to 44. Pressing left I said 53 on here. I mean, I feel like left should take you to 26. And then right to 40. So let's just confirm non-equipable. Yeah. Okay. 40. Up will take you to 56. I'll keep this here as reference. Although you're not going to be able to see everything. Which means I can't see everything, so I'm just gonna keep this over here. So up takes you to 56. Because like up here it took you to 55. Yeah. So up takes you to 56. Down takes you to 45. Left takes you to 39. Right takes you to 41. Most of these should just work. So realistically, all I should have to set is up and down. No, just up. So 41 will take you to 57. And then 46. 40, 42. So up on 42, take you to 58. I'm just going to assume everything else is right. This is where things will matter. So 43 will take you to 59. But now right will take you to 36. Oh, no, it won't. Actually, it'll take you to 25. Yeah, right will take you to 25. So actually, let's just do this now. So 25. So up will take you to 38. Down 27. Left. So around 25. So left will actually take you to 43. And then right 26. Yeah. 26. Up will take you to 35. Boss key. 28. 25. Ooh. So this will actually take you to 39. Because that's going to bounce back over here because there's nothing up here. Yep. Gauntlet. 44. 39, 49, that doesn't change. So left will actually probably take you to 4. Oh, yeah, those aren't quite aligned. No, I'll have it take you to 28. And then right 45. So 45. So 45, 46, and 47 shouldn't even need to be touched. Down I'll take you to 51, which would technically exist. So this will change. Right on 48 will take you to 27. And then 27 left will take you to 48. Right, unchanged. So we're on position 28. Up, down, left, don't change. Right, probably 44, correct? Yeah. That makes sense. Okay, so lantern. So up is fine. Down will actually take you to... So how should you get to the Triforce frame? I'll say Triforce frame. I'll say 54. And then left. So left, I'll actually take you to the arrows, which is 4. And then right, 50. So up 55, down will once again be 54. Left to right won't change. I don't even need to worry about the other ones because they're not existent right now. So 29. Left will take you to 50. 53. Right takes you to 30. No problem. Oh, wait. Down, though. Not 25. Down will take you to 36. So I'll take you there. I swear these X positions are not the same. Anyway, I'm not gonna worry about it. So up to 28, down to 26, nope, down to 31, Triforce frame. Left is 29, right will be 0. To the sword. Okay, so now we go through these. Shouldn't have to mess with these too much. So left 30, up 21. Wait, up to 20. Oh. Oh. My numbers aren't quite right. Okay, that's fine. So then arrow, position 3, will have to take you, right will take you to 49. Up to 23, that's fine. I don't need to mess with any of these internal 12. But like, that's fine. Is candles set up to take me to 30? Oh, these numbers aren't right, though. Everything's messed up by 1. Because this is 0 to 23. Yeah, because then this goes 25, so I missed one. Not, I mean, it really doesn't mean anything. It's all arbitrary. It's just positioning. So this is fine. I just need to know what they are. So 31, left to 31. And then left from here takes you to 36. Right will take you to 4. Okay. Anything regarding this grid just needs to stay consistent. Down to 32, up to 30. Yep. So then Legionary goes up to 31, down to 33, left to 7, right to 8. Left changes. Left will go to 36. So both of these going left takes you to 36. And then this, no geez, this is 36. Up will probably take you to, yeah. Up will take you to 29. Down will take you to 37. I'm glad I made this little graphic over here, so it's super easy. Triforce frame, 54. And then right, I don't know, back to the Triforce frame. It's 31. Okay, so Triforce frame is 54. So up, take you to 51. Dead center. Down will take you to 57. Dead center. Left. Ooh, left and right. That's going to be rough. I think right makes most sense at position 37. Left. Probably here. 36. Or no, not 36. 15. Yeah, 15. Okay. Which means rights from here will be 54. Right from here will be 55. Okay. Did I do any of the boss key? Does left go to 33? Okay. Left goes to 34. Okay, I'm assuming all that's good. Didn't do any of you. Didn't do any of you. Did you? Okay. So then up to 36. Oh, wait. First of all, your position 37. Up to 36. Down to 38. Left to the Triforce frame 54. Right. The map So 33. $38. 37. Down probably 25, right? Yeah, that's like directly in line. Left will take you to 59. Right will take you to 35. Okay. So you are position 38. Left goes to 38. Left probably also 38. Also, did I accidentally modify right? No. Left on map goes to 37. And I modified your left 36, okay. Okay, so that's fine. Did I do your downs? I did downs. Okay, so now it's just these guys in the bottom left. And apparently none of this is set up. So this is position 55. Wait, really? Oh, that's annoying. Oh, that's annoying. I need to do this. Okay, well. Well, I was having you go through the Triforce frame for all of these. So up will be 54. Down will be 39 because that's still aligned with that grid. Left will be 23. Right will be 56. So you are position 56. Up goes to 54. Down goes to 40. Left goes to 55. Right goes to 57. You are the third one, so you are 57. Correct? Yes. Up goes to 54. Down goes to 41. Left goes to 56. Right goes to 58. You are 58. Up goes to 54. Down goes to 42. Left to 57. Right to 59. Okay, you are position 59, not 589. Flippable. 54. Down goes to 43. Left goes to 58. Right goes to 38. Brilliant, brilliant. All right. Let's see what more there is here. Or rather, let's see if we're good. See how this looks. That's cool. So I'll need to add some selection text to these. Weird that it lets me go to this. It's wallet. Interesting. Oh, it does let me go to empty slots. Interesting. Oh, the ladder for some reason doesn't show it. That's strange. Also, pressing down here doesn't do anything. Pressing up here doesn't do anything. Oh, I'm stupid. It's because I still need to actually have the items there. 47, 45. You are position 51. Up goes to 46. Down goes to 54. Left goes to 50. Right goes to 52. So you're 45, 68, 45. You are position 52. Up goes to 47. I think I messed up the last one. Down 54. Left 51. Right 53. I think I messed you up. Up goes to 46. Down goes... No, I didn't. Okay. Thought I did. Oh, well. So let's see. You are at 89. 45. Oh, really? I was that close? Look at that. All right. 53. 48. 54. 52. And right will go to 29. That actually saved, right? Okay. Yep. 29. And up will always take you to 51. Yeah, that's why that wasn't working, because I'd never actually put an item in at 51. I can always make them be blank items that don't have anything until I actually decide what they're going to be. Because, see, now I can keep cycling above this. And then I should be able to keep cycling down until it recenter me. Yeah, no cursor on the ladder. That's a bit annoying. All right, so let's set display names for these. I don't really need my little image over here anymore, because I think all these were set up. Yeah, well, that looks good. Map. Is there a way I can make the map only appear in dungeons? Oh, you could do an item override. That's cool. Oh, invisible. Interesting. I mean, it's not a huge deal. It just means it'll show up when you're on Overworlds. That's, like, my only complaint about that. Okay, so how about this? Let's just go top left. Okay, so the armors are set up. Shields do not appear to be set up. So that just means I need to go... Item editor... Shield... Yeah, so... Wooden... Shield... Okay. I cannot... Oh my god. IELD 1D. Well, I don't want to copy. Iron Shield. Dang it. I'm so used to the right-clicking now. Every time. Okay. Bows look good. Ladder looks good. Raft looks good. Bracers, flippers. So bomb bags. Small bomb bag. Basic. And then quiver. And then wallets weren't set up right. Merchant's wallet. Wallet. Okay. Dang it. Okay, so I don't think I actually made items for these. These all look good. Oh, I should do the actual Triforce frame, yeah. Triforce. So I need to make actual items for these. I think I actually do. I think I do. Don't I have, I thought I did. My problem is I don't know what I would have called them. Otherwise, it'd be easy enough for me to do that. In fact, wait a minute. Why can't I just make it be these? Graphic. Why don't I just make it be this one? I don't see why not. It's literally the same thing with a plus, which just simply makes it more indicative that that is what it is. So, type bomb bags. I think I could do that. Yeah. I just put another bomb bag item in there. So I could do... Yes. So that. Oh, wait. No, it would just be that. Yeah, and then selection. Yeah. Bomb bag expansions. Quiver expansions. The other change I did to those items can just stay like that. I don't care. Magic expansions. Hey, Emily. How's it going? I've just been doing Subscreen stuffs. Bomb bag expansions, quiver expansions, magic expansions. Thieves' wallet, large quiver, large bomb bag. Diverse slippers. Triforce. Doesn't matter what you're looking at, it's still a Triforce. I think it all just works. I'll just need to figure out what these other items are, which... I'll need to figure out... Because it's all of these kinds of items. You can customize the selector to look less stretched out. Oh, I can? Oh, yeah, I probably should, actually. Okay, selector. Interesting. I don't even know where my selector... Oh, here we go. That could be one of these. So pixel width. Well, it's 6. 6 times 16, 32, 64, 80. And then height. 3 times 16 is 48. Oh, let's see what this looks like. I did the math right, so let's just see what it looks like. Oh, it's just not appearing. Hey, Yokels. Yep, this is Engine. I'm transitioning over to Engine because the thing is, my script is Subscreens basically did 90% of what 99% of what I wanted. I just wanted a couple of custom things, which you can import scripts. So that 1% of custom stuff is right there. Do you have a selector 1 or selector 2 or both on your Subscreens? I've only been using this one because then it alternates between this. That selector X and Y, is that relative to what it's selecting, or is that absolute? Selector 1 has selected 2 widget. Oh. I don't know. I feel like it'd be selector 1. How do I select the selector? Shoot, which one was the selector is invisible somewhere. Oh, no, selection text selector. Okay, okay. It's 4. God dang it. This is why I have auto clickers. I think, wait a minute. Okay. Bottom left corner. Actually, probably top left corner makes more sense. Now I can actually access it. Oh, I could do a large. Would that technically be better? Wait. Yeah, it's selector 1. Large doesn't matter. Okay. Okay. So, I mean, I'm honestly not even too upset about what it would be, like how big it was. I'm not really that particular. Although I don't know why it's not appearing at all. Oh. I see. I guess I was confused because there's a pixel width here and then there's... Oh, I guess of what it's selecting. I see. I see. Do I actually have to set the X and Y as well? Ah, you do. Interesting. Okay, I see exactly how that works. Interesting. Alright. Well, that explains how that works to me. I need to get the X and Y for probably the drawstring, because that's the top left corner. So it'd be 58. Would be the X. I like that you could do that. That's kind of cool. So this would be 58. And the Y does some math. So draw Y is 94. 94. I guess I'll just try. Oops. No, do not change the code. Let me try like 176. And then, yeah, I'm going to have to draw tiles. What version? I'm on 3.0. Yeah, the latest 3.0. So now it's not drawing anything. I can honestly make like a custom selector here. It'd be cool to use this. Which, honestly, I could do. That's a lot of frames, though. My God. To make this bigger? Like, I would fear scaling this up. This wouldn't really work anyway because they're perfectly square. I need something wider. Honestly, I'm really trying to push demo 5 stuff. I'm not going to worry about this yet. This is like an enhancement thing. I think how it looks is okay. It's not awful. But if I'm gonna work on something, I want to work on getting the rest of my items in. I mean, it's obviously not great, but it could be worse, and I'm okay with it. It's okay for the time being. What I need to figure out is all my other smaller items. Yeah, see, I have a bunch of miscellaneous items that I gotta figure out how I want them to sit in here. I changed the item classes, right? So can I type Legion, Leviathan? I forgot that I did that. Oh, that's freaking awesome. Okay, so wow, that's awesome. I just do that. Yep, there's Leviathan scale. Oh, hey, active. Oh, thank you for the bits. Great, appreciate it, man. What's up? Okay, bits badge. Look at you go. Let's go. Did I even set this up? So right goes to 39. Yeah, that seems right. Okay. So what I'm curious about now is each of my keys. I think I called it sequence. Yeah, okay, these are all in sequence. Wait, why? These actually should not be in sequence. Yeah. No, that's... Strange Coffer is not part of that sequence. Shoot. Is 91 used? I don't know how I know if 91's used. I mean, okay, so it definitely is. I just don't know by what. Oh, shoot. Okay, so that just means... Wait, can't I see in here? Oh, 91 is trading sequence. So can I see what 92... Oh, that's actually I like that I can see it in here. I don't know why I can't see a representation of that in ZQ, but I can see it here. So I could tell I need Strange Coffer. Actually, wait. Strange Coffer is classified... Oh, this is complicated. Well, I just mean complicated in the sense that I originally wanted this to be armor. I'll make it 93. Wait. Interesting. So something is already using it. Okay, I guess we're gonna do 93. Oh wait, you can see that in the net data. Yeah. That's right. I forgot. So let's change ZZ91. Because 91 was let's call it trading sequence 1. Because then that also means in yield subscreen, trading sequence 1. Okay. So I got the Leviathan scale. I guess 93. I could put that here. That's fine. Everything there is set up. Yeah, Strange Coffer. That technically works because it's a temporary item. So then I have like all my keys. Okay, so Let me look at this updated. Ancient tablet piece. That could be this guy. I know what this was. Battle arena ticket. Multi items, yeah. I'm also just kind of skimming through to make sure I'm not missing anything. Jewel of Mar. Yeah. This could be the Jewel of Mar when that eventually becomes a thing. That actually is a thing. Oh, it doesn't look so good there, but that's fine. I still know it's supposed to be here. I just need to find it. Rock items. Oh yeah, because then there's also the feather. Well, there's the feather on the cape. I mean, trading sequence 1. I got covered. So it's this. So I kind of think Kumpura Key, Guard Tower Key, and Signet of Allegiance should all be their own thing. But for now, ZZ090 would be fine here. Yeah, I think that'd be fine. But eventually I'd like to split those out. I mean, I can technically do that now. So let's do sequence, Kumpura Key, year 90. That looks good. So then really small key. Yeah, let's change you. Is 74 unused? Because then this would be like sequence 2. And item sequences will be a series of items that it's kind of arbitrary. It'll be a sequence of items that will never like overlap. Let's continue on. Because like really small key, then you get the engagement ring. That's also sequence 2. And then you'll be 74. And then we'll rename 74. This is the first time I'm actually going through my items, so I'm really happy about this. 74. Shoot, I already forgot. I think this is sequence 2. Right? So like if I went sequence, yeah. So you're 74, and I even saw it said sequence 2, yeah. So then OZ90 will be sequence 1. Perfect. Okay. Sequence 1. So now the only thing that needs to change now is I forgot where you get the mysterious key, honestly. Forget where you get that. But let me look at Ebrira key. Let's just make you one that's not set. 75, sure. And then mysterious key will make you 91. Okay, maybe 75. I'm assuming if it's a ZZ item, I don't have it assigned anything. Yeah. Okay. So then under subscreen here. So we have sequence 1. Or no. So let's make this sequence 1. Non-equipable. Sequence 2. Non-equipable. Brilliant. Brilliant. Actually, no. That's fine. I want to actually make this sequence 2. Yeah, that's where I had him before, because it's kind of a trading sequence, sort of. What is this? Oh, that's sequence 1. No. Sequence 2. Okay. Well, I think that's good for now. I actually do need to call it for the evening. But I mean, this looks great. I'm loving this. This looks freaking awesome. Yeah. Again, thank you, Emily, for making me aware of this, because it's funny. The ability to select non-equipable items is something I've actually wanted to implement, but then I knew with my scripted subscreen I'd have to manage that myself. Well, it's all here, so I don't need to worry about it. But yeah, thank you. That'll be it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next div stream.